In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Google Workspace. So if you're ready to simplify your workspace management by removing an unnecessary account, just follow along as we walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head to Google Workspace. This is the main hub where all your administrative tasks will be handled. Once you're there, look for the admin console and give it a click. This console works as your control panel where you can manage various aspects of your Google Workspace from user accounts to different settings. Now it's time to log in. Make sure you're using your business email for this step. Logging in with the correct account ensures you have the necessary permissions to manage users. If you find yourself stuck, you might need to confirm that your credentials are correct and have admin privileges. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it. This menu gives you quick access to various Google services, but for today what we're interested in is clicking on the admin icon. Now this action will place you at the heart of the admin console. Now you're going to want to navigate over to the home section. You can do this by clicking on the home option you see there. Once you're at home, you will notice various sections. Locate the users section because that's where the action happens next. Under this section, find and click on delete a user. This option may seem a little intimidating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Next up, you'll need to type in the account name that you want to delete. Make sure you've got this part right. A little typo here could mean targeting the wrong account. As you start typing, suggestions will come up so you can select the correct one with confidence. When you see the account you wish to delete, simply click on it. At this moment, you'll probably notice that things are getting serious. It's okay to double check that the account you've selected is indeed the one you want to remove. Once you have clicked on the account, you'll be prompted to proceed further. Click on proceed to move ahead. You're almost there, but it's always a good idea to take a deep breath and ensure you're all set before making any definitive moves. Now to seal the deal, click on delete user. You'll probably be asked to agree with the terms, which is a final confirmation step that confirms you're ready to remove the account permanently. Read through these terms to avoid any surprises down the line, and once you agree, the account will be deleted. And there you go. You've just successfully deleted an account on Google Workspace. Wasn't that straightforward? Remember, these steps are irreversible, so be certain about your decision before executing the final command. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.